Hello and welcome. My name's Aaron Everson and this is A Man and His Bike. Today we're back building for part two of the build. As you can see, the last section I did has held up pretty well. Getting all this fresh stuff on top. It's all held up pretty well. This is the only bit that's actually muddy, but still, look, it's still pretty solid. So yeah, we come off here. The last bit I built was this jump. So we'll come off here, and as you can see, the landing, if I pretend to be a bike, lands here and directly into this tree here. What I'm planning to build now is a berm and then a jump off the end. So sort of like a shark fin, but we'll see how it goes, because I'm not really the best at building, as we've seen by this atrocity here. I mean, just look at that. But yeah, I think because we land directly at this tree, we build a berm against it over there, and you can fly off. Jump can be about here somewhere, and then landing over there somewhere, and then it points you in the direction for going off down there somewhere. Alright, let's get straight into a time lapse, so cue the music. So this is where I'm at the moment with the berm. It's looking pretty sick. Pretty much the berm's done. You need to put a bit more here, bank it up a bit more. But the rest of the berm's done, you can see. And then what I'm going to start working on now is this end bit, which is going to be the shark fin thing there. So it's just going to cut off there. I'm going to want to make it as high as here. My aim, it'll come up and round over there, hopefully. Here's the berm all finished with the sick looking shark fin at the end here. Got a high feeling it might fall apart, strong feeling. But yeah, I'll build the jump, the landing as well. I'm not really sure where to build it, so I might just test to flat on my bike first and then see. But I'm thinking the landing will be just here, literally where my brake is. Doubt these sticks will do much, but they look kind of nice. So yeah, this will be sick to ride with a bike, I think. It is a new day. We are still working on the shark fin though. We've built the takeoff here, and because I don't actually have my bike, so I'm not really sure how much speed, but looking at it, I'm thinking we build the landing about here. So what we'll do is use these glass blocks as a landing. For now, I'll just chuck them down there. So we can just, when you do that jump, at least you have something to land on now. And then I'll make a more permanent one when I know the speed that you've got. And then what I'm thinking after that is you come down here, I'll build a takeoff. No, probably about here, so got enough time to build your speed between the two. Maybe here somewhere. Build a takeoff here, and then a decent sized jump to land there, and then head off. So, I think that's enough talking. You'll be able to see on the video what I do. So let's get straight into it. Nice and quick, got that sorted. It's literally just a very small bit of grass that I've put down. So now, clear out the runway for the next jump and build the takeoff. And that'll be us for this episode, I think. So this log's going to be the face of the jump. I'm going to make it a little bit higher. Currently it comes up to there on the leg. I like to come up a bit higher, but I'm sure I'll make that with the curve coming up. So I've just put these stakes in just to keep the log from rocking back and forwards too much. I'm just going to fill this from here to here. Just going to fill it with dirt now. So I reckon this doesn't actually need to go too much higher. Look, it's got a really nice transition. It's looking real smooth. What I might do is dig down here a little bit so you can get like a little pump. So you can get a little pump going in. And then whatever dirt I take there, I just put on top. And I think we'll be done because this is looking smooth. It was actually really fun doing that. I know I'm not the best builder, and it's probably slightly boring for you guys just watching me build, but my bike's currently in the shop, so once that's out, we'll be able to test the shark fin, we'll be able to test this, the speed for this, and then we'll be able to do the landing, build the landing, and then I reckon we just do a episode of just session in this section first, and then deciding what to do down there, is break up the building a little bit, I reckon. But we need, once we've got my bike back, I'll be able to decide where to put the landing for this, because then I'll know the speed. I reckon it'll be a good day. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see the rest of the build, because it is going to be quite a long track, so it's definitely worth the wait.